Okay, so this is a screencastify that I made, and I want to chop some parts out. It's too long. I'm going to click Open in Editor, and it will load your recording. And then I always watch it to find out where could I cut some parts off. And usually it's parts where the computer's lagging or I'm doing some type of typing. So I kind of play it to find my spot. Okay, now this is a place where maybe a text box would be good. So I can choose a background, I can choose a color. Okay, so you can have this appear, just any type of notes. You can prolong it as we play the video. Okay, so now I'm not going to watch this whole thing with you, but I'm going to kind of show you. So when I went here, I made a copy. Okay, notice it took me a while to do this part. So I'm going to cut this out because it's just kind of a waste of time. So I'm going to go back and I said make a copy, okay? And I'm going to click this. I have to make it yellow. Now put the bar where I want it to be. So I really am kind of paying attention to my seconds. So at 34 seconds, I can cut that out. And now it's in two pieces. So I need to go and find where I want to stop. Okay, so I renamed it. And let's say now I'm ready to stop here because it was just too much information, too long, cut. So this is unnecessary. I'm going to get rid of it. Okay, and then we're going to play right here. Maybe I'll put another little note in that says, type your students' names. And I can center it. I can hit the space bar and move it. I can put it on the right side. Okay, so there's all kinds of things you can do as far as that goes. Maybe I want this to stretch out a little further so it lasts longer. Now I want to show you how this will appear when your kids watch your Screencastify. Okay, and maybe I want to move this over since I wasn't quite typing names. I just drag it over to right here when I started typing names. Okay, I'm not going to keep going, but I will tell you the best places that I found to chop these videos are when there's lagging, like if I'm typing something in, doing an example essay, then I just chop it and they can kind of see the finished product, or if your computer's lagging, which obviously will happen, okay? But again, you can just make sure this is yellow. That's the biggest thing. And then when you hit the chop, you've got to find the second part of it that you want to delete because you're separating it. And then you just click delete. Okay, so that's really what I love the most about the editor. Okay, another really cool feature with Screencastify is if you have a couple different clips, you've recorded a few short videos and you want to put them together, you can do plus and you can go to your Google Drive and then you'll just go to your Screencastify folder and you will find whatever video you want to add to it. Okay, I really like this because if I mess up, then I can go ahead and just record a second part or I forgot to say something. I can just add it in and it will add it to the end feature. And when you're done, you click export and I export to my Google Drive and then I will name it Flippity 2020. Okay, I'll save it. And just like any other video, it will go to your Google Drive. Okay, one thing when you click share, this, for some reason, when you push it to editor, it comes up as restricted. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to change it with anyone with the link can view it. There's the link I'm going to share with my students now with my new Screencastify. If I need to find it, again, it's going to still be in my Screencastify folder. So it's still in there. So just make sure you name it. And again, it's just uploading. Okay, I hope this helps. Please ask with any questions.